Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Talk Barca. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will be discussing about the match preview Barcelona versus Getafe. In our last match, we only got a point against Athletic Club and Barcelona will be trying to turn things around against Getafe. It is going to be a home match. We will also be discussing about what Ronald Koeman had to say about Umtiti, Miralem Pjanic and others in the pre-match press conference. All coming up in today's video. It's the third match day of our season. So come on, let's get on with it. First of all, let's start with Ronald Koeman's pre-match press conference. Koeman, when asked about the inclusion of Pjanic and Umtiti, on Umtiti he said, "I respect all the players that have a contract. However, the club know what I want. They know it will be difficult to have minutes." On Pjanic, he said, "Pjanic is working hard to find a new club. He will have to make an effort. However, I know that he is still committed with us." Koeman was also asked about Collada's exclusion. He said, "Collado knows that there is a lot of competition in his position and he's going to have to look for a chance to play." Koeman was also asked about Araujo being called up to represent Uruguay. He said, "I don't think Araujo should be called up with his national team. We know that the schedule in South America is completely different, but they should know our situation. In the end, we the club pay their salaries." Koeman, when asked about Ansu Fati, he said, "I saw the press saying Ansu Fati would be available for the Sevilla game. But no, I can confirm he won't play. He is doing well, but we don't want to rush his recovery, not take any risks. Clearly something that I appreciate. I said it previously, he should only play when he's completely fit." Koeman was also asked about our mismanaged squad. He said, "We currently have 32 players. How is that possible? How can I manage 32 players? I did my coaching course, but never with 32 players. Every player knows their situation and some will have few minutes." Koeman was also asked about our opponent Getafe. He said, "They have shown a positive image in the first two matches. Against Sevilla, they deserved more. They are a competitive team that have weapons. They will be very focused and we will have to play very aggressively." Now moving on to the squad list, we have got some great inclusions which will surely boost us. Ter Stegen is back from injury. Felipe Coutinho has also been included. We will be requiring these two fit for the rest of the season. There has also been some strange inclusion, Miralem Pjanic and Samuel Umtiti, as it looks like Samuel Umtiti will be staying and we are still not sure about the future of Pjanic. On the other hand, Oscar Mingueza has also been given the medical green light. Other than that, the squad looks pretty much the same just like our previous match day. Now let's look at the stats of Getafe of last season. They did finish the season in 15, but especially in match day 27 and match day 33, they did manage to keep the scoreline 0-0 against both Atletico Madrid and Real Madrid. Now moving on to the head-to-head records. In match day 6, Getafe did manage to cause a surprise as they defeated us 1-0, Jaime Mata scoring for them from penalty spot. And in match day 31, Barcelona won the match 5-2. It was really a Messi masterclass, scoring twice, and also Araujo and Griezmann managed to get on the score sheet. There were also own goals from both sides too. And one thing that I want to point out about Getafe is about their physicality. And they are a team that will allow us to keep the ball. They are going to be sitting deep trying to soak up the pressure. Yes, they did start the season with 2 defeats, losing 1-0 to both Valencia and Sevilla. But that doesn't mean we should be taking them lightly. They can cause an upset and we have to be aware of that. And one player that I expect to perform is Antoine Griezmann. He did have a poor performance against Athletic Club. We all know about his quality. He has that within himself and he needs to show that. I hope he can manage to get on the score sheet against Getafe. It will be very much important for his confidence and for us too. Now moving on to the possible lineup for tomorrow's match. In goal, I think we are going to see Ter Stegen back. He has been training and he has been given the medical green light. I think Koeman will start him. The two centre-backs I think will be Araujo and Clement Lenglet, as PK is out injured for a few weeks and Eric Garcia is red-carded. On to the full-backs, I think it will be Jordi Alba on the left and maybe we might see Emerson given a start to deal with their physicality. Moving on to the midfield, I think 2 places are very much confirmed. It's Sergio Busquets and Frenkie de Jong. Although lately there were reports that de Jong might have picked up a minor injury, but he is fit to play. And the third midfielder, I think Koeman is going to start Roberto, as Pedri is rested and we all know Koeman's reluctance to use Riqui Puig. We might see Gavi and Nico, although I would love to see Puig given some minutes. And now on to the forwards. Griezmann and Depay will start, but it will be interesting to see who does Koeman pick as his third forward. It can be as usual Braithwaite playing on the left-hand side, switching play with Depay in some phases of the match, Griezmann given that free role, or we might also see Griezmann playing centrally, Depay shifted to the left and Yusuf Demir in the right. He did have a good cameo against Athletic Club and Koeman might opt for this front three. I would love to see Felipe Coutinho getting a few minutes and it would be interesting to see where Koeman fits him in the team, in which position does he play him and how he uses him. I hope Barcelona can provide a positive result against Getafe and we have to wait and see how this match turns out to be. So that is it for today's video, guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, or what do you think about our upcoming match and how you think we will perform. Up till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.